Hello, Samuday TV viewers. Disha Habitat presents Oasis Strides 2024 3K, 5K and toddler run conducted by SSO Runners Club.
Very good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I am Anupriya. I am a resident of Shobha Silicon Oasis, and he is
Ramanuja, resident of Shobha Silicon Oasis.
Hi, Ashwin here, another resident of Shobha Silicon Oasis.
Today is the third edition of our Shobha Silicon Oasis Runners Club's annual marathon. This is the third edition. This year we have named it as Oasis Strides. Fitness is nothing new here. In our campus, we have so much of green space and we have a lot of people working out regularly. We have leisurely walkers and we have ultra marathon runners and we have cyclists who cycle about 1,000 kilometers also. So so today's event, it has taken over 2 months of planning, and it is the effort of a team of over 15 people who have arranged for the sponsors, for ordering the bibs, the medals, the t-shirts, following up with the sizes, taking registrations and coordinating with the participants. It has been a lot of effort in the background. At the outset, we will be doing a short warm-up session followed by a Zumba session. And then we will start the marathon after that.
Okay. See, any age limit or any kind of eligibility criteria to participate in this?
No, from this year we have introduced a new run category called the Toddlers Run. So we have children from 2 to 5 who are going to run in that. So overall, some 1,000 participants have registered for this event. The age range varies from 2 to 86. The oldest participant is 86 years old.
Any particular reason for organizing particular this month, August, any Independence Day kind of, normally people for an Independence Day, they conduct this kind of activities. Do you have any idea, such kind of a motive or anything?
The Oasis Strides is a regular event which is always conducted in the month of August. This is just post-monsoon, so it is perfect weather conditions for running. So we encourage more people to come outside and run in this beautiful weather of Bangalore that we have. Besides these runs, we also conduct regular runs during key days, including the Independence Day, the New Year's Eve, and the Jan 26, which is our Republic Day as well. So where we do higher distances, 10 kilometers, 2-hour runs and 3-hour runs, where we have a limited number of participants. But Oasis Strides is our main event for the year, where over 1,000 participants come together for running 5 and 3 kilometer distances. So SSO's Runners Club was formed just before COVID. We had about 4 or 5 people who came together, and it has now grown to over 50 members. And we run in and around Bangalore in many of the lakes. So one of the beautiful things about Bangalore is that it has a lot of lakes. In fact, there is one lake just besides our campus. So we run around the lakes during weekdays as well as weekends. And we participate in many events. And some of our runners have also won podium finishes in many of the key events.
So nowadays it is a very busy life. Okay, so every day spending a lot of time, folks spending a lot of time on sitting near the tables, computers, doing their work, and they are forgetting all these health related things. We wanted to take them back where they have to give their consciousness on health. So this is our first step, and we encourage all of you guys also to start running or walking or doing something which are health related things. So I want to take this opportunity as an inspiration for other apartments and other communities, okay, and take this event as inspiration. And I would encourage you guys to also have this kind of events in your apartment and conscious on health.
As a woman, nowadays women are facing so many health hazards.
Yeah.
And the reason for all kinds of diseases is they're stressful, like managing the professional life and family life and everything.
Yes.
So you are the right person to answer this question.
Yeah.
So how it is going to helpful to the womanhood?
Generally, women do not prioritize themselves. That is the problem. They need to prioritize their health first and foremost, and they need to find some time which they dedicate every day just for a physical activity of their choice. Not necessarily running, it can be anything, yoga or a gymming or cycling or something. So if they do that, they can be cheerful physically and mentally, and it is going to help them to manage their family and personal life much more better, and even it will reflect on their professional life also. So I would encourage every woman to prioritize their health, physical and mental health, first and foremost, before they give attention to the rest of the family. Thank you.
Let me hear it from you. Good morning. Welcome to Oasis Strides 2024. To begin with, let us first stand up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय
Thank you. What a glorious Sunday morning. I see so many cheerful faces. Truly thrilled to see such an incredible turnout today. On behalf of the Runners Club, Ashwin and I will be taking you through today's event. The title sponsor for today's event is Disha Habitat, powered by Bangalore Sports Foundation. A hearty welcome to the representatives of Disha Habitat and BSF. We also welcome the team from Kaveri Hospitals, who is the health partner of today's event. A special welcome to our energy partner, Fasten Up. We extend a warm welcome to the people from Pinch, who is our event planner. Dr. Kavita from Kriti 360 is the sponsor for our kit bag. We welcome you, ma'am. It's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to the elite runners from HRA and the Running Ninjas who have readily agreed to run with us and support us today. We are very happy to welcome Mr. Anjan from Samudaya TV, who is our media partner for this event. A special welcome to Ms. Saida, who has graciously consented to lead us with her dynamic warm-up session. A warm welcome to our energetic Zumba team, led by Ms. Nimisha. Our sincere welcome to our own board of members of SSO, who have extended their support in every possible way to organize this event. A cheerful welcome to all the children from Pragati Charitable Trust who have come to run with us. We from the SSO Runners Club welcome all of you present here this morning. It is evident that our society shares a strong passion for fitness. We have a diverse group of participants today, ranging from dedicated ultra runners to leisurely walkers, cyclists, hikers, and even some incredible triathletes. And do you know, the age group today varies from 2 to 86. Before we start the warm-up session, let me remind you of the flag-off time for each of our events today. 5K flag-off is at 7 a.m. followed by 3K flag-off at 7:30 a.m. Toddler run is at 8 a.m. Let us now start the warm-up session. Ms. Saida is here to lead us through her amazing warm-up session. She is an experienced fitness enthusiast. Ma'am, can I have you on the stage?
Let's start off with the next movement. Pick up. I'm just giving the basic joint mobility, the body mobility of what is important for the run. The other side on this one. 2, 3, 4, 8.
and her team for the Zumba session.
Okay, so without wasting our time, can we start? We are already running late. Yeah? We'll start with Bollywood? Yes!
DJ Nick, that's what it is.
Yes. Do, brother. Yes, yes, that's it. It's about the fitness, right? All the very best. Uncle, all the very best.
Hi, good morning. Hello, hello. Are you ready for the run? Yeah. For your very first run? Yeah. We have Sayeeda auntie here to
Yes, 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 super,
We start counting from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Enthusiasm on this course today has been truly inspiring. Seeing so many of you come together to celebrate health and fitness is what makes events like these so special. I hope you all had as much fun running as we had in organizing this event. First and foremost, thank you all of you, our amazing participants. Your support is what drives us to organize events like this. We would like to thank our incredible volunteers. Your dedication and hard work behind the scenes have been invaluable. We would like to sincerely thank each of our sponsors and supporters for today's event. On behalf of the SSO Runners Club, Mr. Shivakumar shall give away the mementos to our sponsors. I request the team from Disha Habitat, our title sponsor, to kindly come to the stage. Mr. Vijay from Disha and BSF and fast enough.
Next, we would like to call upon our health partner for today's event, Kaveri Hospitals. We really thank you sincerely for providing the ambulance support as well as our breakfast. Very nutritious and delicious breakfast, I hear. I haven't had it yet. We'll move to the next. Kaveri, we are representative from Kaveri is coming. Now, we'd like to sincerely express our gratitude to Dr. Kavita. Kavita, please come on stage. She is from Kriti 360. She has done a generous contribution, and without her, the participants' bags would not have been possible.
The runners from HRA, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all of you who joined us today. Your presence has enriched our running experience today. We believe that events like these foster a stronger running community, and your support is a testament to that. Please. Thank you for being a part of this amazing journey with us. Can I have Dr. Ritu and Yogesh from Kaveri Hospitals? Thank you very much for supporting us with the medical aid stations and ambulance support. We also thank you for providing delicious and nutritious food. Your commitment to nourishing our community is commendable. Thank you. Very, very good breakfast. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes.
Now, on a cool and breezy day like today, we definitely needed to warm up, right? And the warm up was done by none other than Miss Saida. We call upon her on stage. She's an expert runner and a podium finisher in many of the marathons across India. Thank you very much, Saida. Right. So cold day, warm up done, and after that we had an excellent Zumba session, shaking our legs and our hips hopefully. We call upon Miss Nimisha who helped us do the same. We are the SSO Runners Club. We encourage people to run, but that is not all of it. We love people who do other activities as well. We love trekking, we love cycling. And within SSO, we have an expert cyclist who had achieved 1,000 kilometers of cycling. Let me repeat,